How to sync Brave browser across devices. Now, first things first is I'm gonna sync my mobile phone to my PC. So open up your Brave browser, and once it's open, go to the three dots located on the lower right of your phone. Then go to settings, scroll down and go to sync. Now add new device. So since I'm adding my laptop, I'm gonna press add a computer. Now you will be provided with a code. This this is gonna be the one that you need to paste to your laptop. So let's copy the code and let's head into our PC. Now on your PC, pull up your Brave browser and go to settings here, then go to settings, look for sync and click on it and start using sync, and then I have a sync code. Now all you have to do is to copy the code that you have from your mobile device. Now once you have copied your code, you just click confirm and continue. There you go. So click on manage your synced devices. There. So as what you can see, I have synced my mobile device from to my laptop. So that's how you sync Brave browser across devices.